I hope everybody's doing well. I just want to do a quick video on how to use the Yorkshire grit, the Microfine Abrasive paste. Let me get the camera moved over and we'll get started. So this is a resin piece. I went ahead and sanded that up to 240, put a little bit of the regular Yorkshire grit on it. Now I'm going to use the microcrystal paste wax here. Same thing with this, put a little bit on a rag, rub it in by hand with the lathe off, and work it around a little bit. Then we'll turn the lathe on. Just a little bit on the rag. Might have got a little bit too much. Just work it around. It has grit in it too, so you can feel it. It's a little finer grit, so can't feel it quite as much as the other stuff, but it breaks down. Work it around. And then we will turn the lathe on and polish it up. Just keep working it in for a minute or so. And there you go. You can see how clear that is right into the resin. It's just that quick. And it's the same process with the regular Yorkshire grit and the microcrystal. You just work it around with the lathe off, turn the lathe on, and then just buff it actually right up to. Just make sure, if you do see any scratches or anything, just make sure you just keep going, because it will be a grit or something in there that you didn't quite get all the way out. So, and that stuff will break down as you go, but just beautiful finish.